All right, this is Sam here from Secrets with Sam. This is part 3. Please remember to like and subscribe. So you can see there's some caulk there. And I don't know if you can see, but there's that little seed in the caulk. So yeah, if you got an old sliding door, you can just turn it into a big picture window. If you go, that's the final secret. If you go to the store and you look at how much a big picture window like this would cost, it's going to be thousands of dollars. And that caulk, I think that was on sale for $3.95. Oh, there's another wasp already just checking it out. Wants to get inside. Maybe can't figure it out now. So I think that's the question I'll say to you, YouTube watchers. Please remember to subscribe. But the question is, would you rather pay thousands of dollars of your hard-earned money on a picture window, or would you rather have a picture window for $3.95? All right, this is Sam from Secrets with Sam. I look forward to hearing what you all have to say.